welcome to my listeners of Whale Cloud. This is Sami Muhammad once again covering another vlog. So, as one of the highlight of this event this year is that the people are very much concerned about a couple of topics, and one of the topics which is of utmost importance to the customers who are coming, or the people who are coming and asking from us, is AI domain, that how AI domain can be helpful in the telecom space, and how telecom operators can take the benefit from the AI and move forward and be beneficial to their subscriber base. So so this is something that is new, which is taking the hype and also already entering the plateau to some extent. And because of this, it was important for us to discuss and have a small vlog on this topic. I would like to introduce you guys to one of my oldest friend, Cece, who is going to be taking care and he's going to be letting us know the importance of AI and what kind of solution and products we have in the AI space for the telecom operators, so that to be making them possible to enter to this domain as well. Hi, Cece.
Hi, Sami.
How are you doing?
Great.
Good. And how's your enthusiasm, and how is everything going on for you as far as this event is concerned?
I think this event is very great and successful. And as you just mentioned, one of the most hottest topic is the AI, besides the ODA, okay?
Right.
And for the AI, actually, since the ChatGPT be promoted to the industry early this year, so every industry, every company talk about this one.
So ChatGPT, it's a very famous name, a very well-known name. So when you are talking about ChatGPT, is it the same ChatGPT which is open source, or do you have Whale Cloud have its own ChatGPT solution?
That is a very good question.
All right.
So as we know, ChatGPT is very popular this year, and it's being applied or trying to be applied in different industry. And how we use it, actually, Whale Cloud tried to explore this kind of the question early this year. And after our research, we consider directly use ChatGPT into our telecommunication IT system is maybe not so right. ChatGPT is good at natural language processing and the context generation. And if we directly use it, it still seems some gap between the normal common language and common sense with telco background and systems information. So in this occasion, we built a new component which name is AIGCortex. So that is try to fix this kind of gap between the open source OpenAI, ChatGPT, or other kind of the big data model, and with our BSS OSS system. So using that, we can embed their natural language processing, their context generation, and combined with our BSS capabilities, open APIs, SDKs, data, open capabilities, etc.
Okay, so it is really exciting to hear that we have our own proprietary ChatGPT, yes, which is working on top of the open API based ChatGPT.
That's right.
Yeah, but talking in terms of specific scenarios, mm-hmm, if you can help us, our listeners, to be very much sure and specific. Yeah. Do you have any scenarios in real time that we have come across where we are using our ChatGPT or these kind of things in the BSS domain?
Yes, so this is what we want to do. That means we do not want to directly use ChatGPT. We want to using ChatGPT combined with our BSS system to solve the most concern or most confused pain point in our system. So here's the example. That means, you're working in this industry for many years, and for our customers, for our CSPs, the most complicated part of daily working is how to configure a new offer,
Right.
then put it to market. That's
Right.
right. So usually there is a very long pipeline from the marketing, then to IT, then to the delivery part. So, and into our system, there are hundreds of tables about the offer and price
Right.
plan. There's a lot of rules, there are a lot of discounts, different kind of the GRID and the balance type, etc., and some kind of complicated price plan, discount rules. We need still extension rules like Python script, for example.
Right, yes.
And usually we need a certain team of experts,
Correct.
especially to analysis the marketing team's requirement and mapping to our data model and give them the configuration solution, then configure them and testing them. And now we have ChatGPT. So you can see in this demo cases, which is we already realized in our product version, BSS product version.
Right.
So you can directly tell BSS Copilot what you want in the natural language. It can
Okay.
be in Chinese, it can be in English, and it can be in French, and any other kind of language. Because
Okay.
ChatGPT have this kind of capability to understand multiple type of language. And you just tell them what kind of price plus name, what kind of the discount rule or promotion rules you
So
want.
all the key inputs that
That's
are
right.
required, you just need to give that.
Yes, and it can generate the configuration in the system. What you need is just to check and test.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that is really, taking a lot of effort out
Yes.
of the manual work that needs to be done into, only for the testing and the purpose. So it means
That's
that
right.
shortening time to market as well, furthermore.
Definitely to short the time to market and to decrease the risk and mistake.
Right. So any other scenarios like on the network side, can customer if raises the complaint, so can it be taken and can be routed or something like that?
Yes, we
or the
have.
emails.
Yes, we have another examples of the use cases. For it's also coming from the pain point of one of our CSPs
All right.
projects. Aptly using the email channel to receive the consumer or enterprise customers requirement or complaints or issues about network.
Okay.
So traditionally, I would say currently what they are doing, they have different kind of team because they have separate email address for the B2C customer and the B2B customer. And they have the customer care team to read all these emails and feedback them, and if it's according to some requirement or according to some network issue, they will generating trouble ticket in
Right.
the system. And currently, the average workload in this part is 2,000 to 3,000 emails per week.
Wow.
So, and now we have ChatGPT.
Right.
So in this occasion, what we can do? So we use ChatGPT, actually the AIGCortex module. That means we just enhanced with the telco knowledge. Okay. First, we're using it to read and understand the information sent in the email. Okay, so not only the title of email, but also the content and attachment of the email. And after that, it can categorize it, mapping to our internal TT service type. So that means it can be mapping to complaint, mapping to network issue or service request, etc.
Right.
And other things, more amazing, it also can mapping to our customer notification. So that means for a certain kind of scenario, customer only send email to ask you, for example, what is the shop open time and address. So we can use in ChatGPT to analysis and directly call the notification template and feedback to customer automatically.
Wow.
Yeah.
So like, almost you're covering all the segments from the IT team side, which are the user, and then to the other side of the user, which are the customer inside.
That's right.
And any further enhancements or the future that can be brought into the AI, because AI seems to be a must now in the telecom space.
As you say, AI itself have a lot of capability, and what we more concerned is how to use and combine this capability into our BSS system to solve this most head pinpoint.
Right.
Yes. So most of our concerning is how to enhance the telco part, the knowledge into combined with the OpenAI. So this is the first thing. The second thing is about the security. In a lot of country and different areas, we have the differentiate or specific requirement for the data security, for the customer's profile, etc. So this is also we need to think about it. How can we isolate the customer data? How can we keep our customer profile and the CSP's information security? So
Perfect.
this is we must think about it when we deliver this into the production environment.
Well, thank you so much, Cece. As always, a very informative discussion and talking with you. Really thanks for your time. So, dear listeners, you have already heard from Cece that AI is a must, and it has to be incorporated in the space of telecommunication, BSS or OSS domain, and it's only the beginning. And ChatGPT serving you from on behalf of us, like vendor solution providers, and this is basically only the beginning, and we can go further down the head, triggering and touching those points related to security and data integrity. So this is something we have already started, and our chatbots and our ChatGPT, they are always ready to be serving you in future, and this is going to be the future. Having said so, thank you so very much for your time and listening to us. This is Sami signing off. Until next time. Bye.